Escape to a 25-acre Tennessee heaven, featuring a charming rustic log cabin, stunning mountain views, and a serene pond. This picturesque property boasts a large kitchen with a dining area, perfect for cozy nights by the fireplace. The property also includes a two-car detached garage and several nice barns, ideal for farming, horses, or storage. With its beautiful gated entrance, tree-lined driveway, and convenience to town, this property is a rare find. Enjoy the tranquility of the countryside, breathtaking mountain views, and the perfect blend of rural charm and modern convenience. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.